Many expressed their anger and disbelief.
On Saturday, a Pakistani court sentenced Salman Taseer's bodyguard, Mumtaz Qadri, to death. Qadri's lawyer said his client was upset with Taseer's call for reform of the country's blasphemy law. Qadri's supporters view him as a hero who enforced divine law by killing, quote, a blasphemer, further stoking tensions between conservative and liberal stratas of Pakistani society. Police looked on as protesters marched through Lahore, but there were exchanges where protesters threw stones and police used tear gas, batons, and fired shots in the air. Later, demonstrators staged a sit-in. We have only one demand, that Ghazi Mumtaz Hussain Qadri should be released. We will not agree upon anything else except this demand. God willing, our struggle will continue. Qadri has 1 week to file an appeal against 2 death sentences, one for murder and one for terrorism. Taseer had supported a Christian woman, Asia Bibi, who was sentenced to death in a blasphemy case stemming from a dispute. The governor said the law was being misused and needed to be reformed. The death penalty mandated law is often used in poor, rural parts of the country to settle scores. Less than 2 months after Taseer's death, Pakistan's Minister for Minorities, Shahbaz Bhatti, a Christian, was killed for also demanding changes to the blasphemy law.